Hey Ernie, Dolly here with Kingmax. So I thought you're gonna do a video for you real quick. So this is your new machine, the Kingmax GT 1906 programmable pattern sewing machine with a presser foot. You got 60mm by 40mm on the size here, and I got those two patterns programmed in there for you. So I want to show you that first, then I'm going to show you a little bit around in the machine. So right now I basically put PO1 and PO2. Those are quick icon pattern selections. So you'll see for PO1 you got 40 by 40, that's going to be for your 2-inch webbing. When you push the PO2, it'll show you 30 by 30, that's for your 1.5-inch webbing. So let's go ahead and do PO1 again. The machine will set itself ready to go. And the way I designed this pattern, because I want it to be real close to the edge of the clamp, so I'm going to start it on the right side. You're going to put your material in there. I already have your vinyl on the back end of it. So just kind of line it up somewhere in the middle right here. Show me the pedal here. You have a 2-stage pedal, so when you push lightly, the clamp is going to go down. And then if you let go of that pedal, it's going to go back up. Kevin, down first. So I'll push lightly. Clamp goes down, if I let go, it goes back up. So let's go back here on the top. And so if I have it positioned right, you can click further down on the pedal and it will start sewing. If you don't think you have it positioned right, you can let go of that pedal, position it where you want to go again, click it. If we're ready to go, all we have to do is push the pedal down, give it a good click, and there it goes. So that's on your 2-inch webbing. And then the machine obviously has automatic thread trimmer, so it's going to cut it on the top and the bottom, and that's the bottom side, that's the top side. And so when we're switching to your 1.5-inch webbing, we're going to push on PO2. It's going to change it. You can just double check 30 by 30. Put that in there, and again, all the patterns are starting in the middle, so all you have to do, Ernie, is line that up in the middle of the clamp. We're going to push down again. That's pretty much it. One thing right here, under your, this has an electronic thread tension on the top. That's controlled right here. So I have it set at 90 right now because of the material in the thread. Obviously, if you see this getting loose, go a higher number. If you see it, too tight, you can go lower number, but I think around 90 for this thread and this material, we should be pretty good on that. So I'm going to X here. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I got those patterns in there for you. We should be ready to go on that. And then the machine, like I said, electronic thread tension. Your presser foot right here, that's going to have some adjustments. So if you ever go to like really thick layers of stuff, go ahead and loosen that up, bring it up a little bit, or you can bring it down a little bit if you got little less layers. You basically want, when that machine sews, you want that presser foot to basically just kind of kiss the top of your material as it sews. Programming is all in here. I'm going to send you real good manuals for this, because the ones that come with the machine are not that great anymore. So I'm going to send you some manuals, but basically you'll get out of here, you'll push there. It's going to ask you to whether you want to edit a new pattern, click enter. And then this is your programming mode here. But like I said, I can help you with this. I can email you programs, or I can show you how to do it, or I got other videos on YouTube. You can check all that stuff out. I do want to let you know, so we're going to need a power converter right here. The machine comes factory set 220 volt single phase. So I got you a 110 volt converter. Obviously the plug from the machine is going to go to the converter, and then the converter plug is going to go to your any kind of standard outlet there. I hooked up the air for you. You got a regulator right there. Usually keep that regulator to about Let's see if I can get that. Keep it around the middle there. I don't know what the CFM is and all that, but that should be good. You got your standard quarter-inch male on that side, and your compressor should have the quarter-inch female on that side. Other than that, pretty much it, Ernie. Not a lot of complications of this, especially being set up and programmed and all that. Like I said, if you need anything else, I can help you with that. It does have the already factory set big hook and bobbin in there, so that thread's going to last you for a while. You have your bobbin winder right up here. Usually if you have 2 spools of thread, you can bring one around through here, go around that disc, come back, wind it, push that lever here like that, and you can wind the bobbin as you're sewing. So as long as you're sewing, you can just push that in. When it's done, it'll pop back out by itself, and rock and roll. Needle size, it does use 135 by 17. I think I got a size 21 in there for you right now. You can go bigger, like 22. You can go smaller, 2019, depending on, again, thread and the material. But I think we're good with what we got right here. So thank you again, Ernie. I'll post this up for you on YouTube. Check it out, and we'll go from there. Thank you.